Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Harling. I'm here today to show you another word problem for today. I'm going to finish the week with doing some more word problems up until Friday, but next week I'm going to be doing multi-step word problems, which are a little bit more difficult, and you have to do more than one step in order to find the final answer. So we will be working on that starting next week. Also today, I'm going to go over the answers for that number portrait that I showed you yesterday, and I'm going to be giving you a new mystery that I want you to solve. But before I get started with any of that, the first thing I want to do is wish Ayanna Jackson a happy birthday this Sunday, April 19th. Have an amazing day. We did not forget about you, my dear. I wanted to let you know, and all the third grade teachers wanted to let you know, that we hope you have an amazing day. You are our last April birthday for third grade. So the next birthday shout outs will be for the month of May. But we didn't forget about you, Ayanna, and I hope you have a great day. Okay, my friends, I'm going to go over the word problem and then we'll move on to the other things that I discussed. So let's read the word problem. Avon has 8 pencils. He has 2 pencil boxes. How many pencils will go in each box? Now, you should be looking at that and thinking about how you're going to solve it. But one of the things we talked about is we need to reread, and I've been doing that with you all week. So let's reread the problem step by step and underline some important information and circle some important information that's going to help us solve the problem. Let's look again at the first sentence. Avon has 8 pencils. What's important there? If you said 8 pencils, you are correct. So now I'm going to circle 8 and underline pencils. 8 pencils. Next sentence. He has 2 pencil boxes. What information is there that is important? If you said 2 and pencil boxes, you are correct. I'm going to circle 2 and underline pencil boxes. Again, you should be putting a picture in your head to help you understand what Avon has and how you're going to solve it. So you definitely should be thinking and putting a picture in your mind. Next sentence. How many pencils will go in each box? What information is important there? Keyword, each. And they're talking about each box. And we need to know how many pencils. So now that we've looked at that information, let's try to solve. The first thing that I'm going to do is show you an actual picture of some pencil boxes and some pencils, and I'm going to use them to help me solve the problem. Now, you definitely can draw a picture of that as well, and I'll do that after. So what I have here are 2 pencil boxes. They're pretty big. They're basically tubs, but I didn't have any pencil boxes in the house. So these are what I'm going to use. And I'm also going to use the 8 pencils that Avon has. There are my 8 brand new pencils. And I'm going to put them in 2 pencil boxes, right? Who thinks they know how I'm going to separate or divide the pencils? Because if I look again at the question, how many pencils will go in each box? When I look at the word each, I know they have to be equal as far as the number of pencils that will go in each box, because we've talked about this a lot in math. Each, and knowing that we have to separate something, that each group has to look the same. So here are my 2 boxes. Miss Harlan's going to keep putting them in till I get to the number 8. 1, second box. 2, 3, first box. 4, second box. 5, first box. 6, second box. So far, I've got 3 pencils in this box, and I've got 3 pencils in this box. So I was at 6. 7, first box. 8, second box. I'm done because I'm out of pencils. And how many are in each box? You should see 4 there, and you should see 4 there. So now I know how many went in each box. I'm also going to draw a picture to show you. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are my 2 boxes. I have how many in each box? 4. So when I'm looking at this problem, boys and girls, should I multiply or should I divide? If you said divide, you are correct. 8 pencils divided by 2 boxes. There are 4 in each box. Very good, everybody. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? We will do another one tomorrow, and so I'm going to now go over the number portrait with you. So I want you to take a look again at her face, and I'm going to go over all of the answers with you. If you look first, I'm going to start in order by numbers. So I'm going to start with the number 0, or the digit 0. The number 0 can be found as her whole face. It can also be found on her glasses. It can also be found on her eyeballs. The number 1 represents her eyebrows. The number 2 represents her nose. 3 is her hair. 4 is her smile. 5 is her hair. 6 are her lashes. 7 are her ears and her leg. 8 are her earrings. And 9 is her eyes. Okay? You could basically say that her eyelashes are number 9 too. But when I say the number 9 is her eyes, if you look real close, Ms. Harling put a little line there, and that little line underneath shows that that's the number 9 and not the number 6. If you kind of look at it this way, that's the number 9. All right? But those are all of the numbers that represent her face. And many of you sent me pictures of that, and you wrote down the answers. So great job, everybody. I'm going to show you another video in a few minutes. Keep watching, and I'm going to show you today's mystery. Thanks for watching.